How's it going, everyone? I want to take a minute of your time to walk you through two trades we caught today during the live. One was a winner and one was a loser. So let's just get right into this. So we got the 15-minute range in finally. And I was looking for a nice high volume candle to give me a sense of direction. The market's been tough this week. I think we can all agree, right? So finally, this candle here actually, on the close of it, I said, okay, we have a nice increase in volume. We have a risk defined. We'll put our stop right at the top of this confirmation candle. But we couldn't just take it because we got confirmation. We had to wait on a retracement of this candle to justify our entry, right? The risk reward wasn't there down here. We retraced back up. I got in around the 827 area. Took some shorts. Stop here. We had a nice trade. Final price target for me was this opening print. Then we had this nice move back up, right? We're out of this trade. This trade's over. We made our money. I think I made like right at 1,800 on this trade. I gave some back on the losing trade, but both of these confirmed. Keep in mind, a losing trade is just as much part of trading as winning trades, okay? The sooner you accept that, the better. It's just how it is. We had this candle here for another possible short entry. We had this candle here close, and I seen the volume increase. I said, okay, we get a retracement of, we have our risk defined again, we have our confirmation. We got in this trade right around 24,880, and it ended up stopping us out. We set our stop here. It came up, hit it. I said, okay, that's it for me. I'm still green. One very important thing, right? Before we got into this trade during the live, I said, I'm going to position to where if this stops me out, I'll still be green on the day. So I sized down, I knew the risk, and it stopped us out. I didn't feel upset. I wasn't mad about the trade. It's just part of it. I'm trying to think if I missed anything here. These are always just my raw thoughts. I don't really script any of these. So whenever I make these recaps, you're just getting my thought process. Kind of interested to see what we do at this 25,000 here. That's what I was watching while I'm recording this video. That was a setup I was looking for, but I'm not going to take another trade. It's not worth the risk. I'm going to follow my plan and stay disciplined. I just want to invite every one of you to my live trading sessions that we've been doing through the week. I'm on YouTube and TikTok. I had roughly 12 to 13,000 people tune in this morning, so they're doing really well. Great community, great vibes, so I hope to see you all there. If you have any questions about these trades, please drop your questions in the comments, or you can reach me best on Instagram through DMs. And you can find my socials at grizzlytrades.com. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.